Hey, what's up everyone? It's Shimon. Today we're looking at the pool fence that I DIY'd. Everything you need comes with it, including the 5/8 inch drill bit to get it screwed into there, into the concrete, and the plug and everything you need to do it. Now it is a little bit of an advanced DIY project, depending upon how big your pool area is, but I will say a trick that really helped was watching multiple videos, but also laying it out beforehand and marking the distance between poles. Everything comes in the kit that you need, but you really want to mark out the distance between poles. Again, same rules apply: measure twice, drill once in this case, but mark it out completely and then drill your holes. Do the first two, make sure your measurements are correct and that the poles fit in the holes, and then just take your time going all the way around as big as you need. But this fence itself is cut proof, super durable, and you could also remove it. So once you put it in, you could remove it if you don't want the fence anymore and put it right back. And they even make plugs for the holes so it doesn't look unsightly at all. Highly recommend if you're trying to protect your pool or another area.